Welcome. This clip shows a little of what more you can do with the user forms in DriveWorks over DriveWorks Express. This is our typical DriveWorks Express form could look. Now we may want to add some more functionality like a form that captures customer information from a database, but we may want to split this form into multiple wizard style forms and include some intelligence on which forms the user needs to complete. This is done from the form navigation stage in DriveWorks. So to create a fully functional custom form, DriveWorks provides a template that can be used as a starting point. Just select the template, provide a name for the user form, and click OK. If we go to the form designer for this form, we can see it is fully loaded with controls that connect to a sample database. By selecting the pre-populated customers, we can see the data in the other controls dynamically update based on the company name selected. Changing the database is done by changing a data source value. This form can be modified to suit your exact requirements, but DriveWorks has provided a good starting point. Next, I will add a blank form that some of the controls from the upscale DriveWorks Express form can be cut and pasted onto. Just click the Add Form button and enter a name for the form. Hitting Return places the form in the navigation window. Next, I want my user to decide if he wants to see the form for adjusting the fitting positions, so I'll add a decision in the same way as a form was added. Finally, I can tell DriveWorks what order these forms will be presented to the user. Just click on the Start icon, then choose the next form to be shown, in this example the customer form. Then click on the customer form and select the Details form, and from the Details form we can select the decision. With the decision, an event is evaluated. If the event is true, you select one form to navigate to, and when the event is false, you select another. We will add the event in a little while, but we can put the navigation in place for now. The form icons can be arranged so it is clear which order they will appear. The event that triggers the decision will take place on the Details form, so we need to open this form in the Form Designer. Once there, I will just add a checkbox that the user checks if the fittings form is required. You can learn more on the Form Designer in another video. So this is the event that triggers the decision. Jumping back to navigation, we can activate the rule builder from the decision area and select the control that was just added. Next we choose the equals symbol, and in the last field we type true. So the event is the selection of the checkbox, and when this is selected or equals true, the decision will be correct and the fittings form will be displayed. Much more complex navigation paths can be included by utilizing decisions in series, but this is how form navigation in DriveWorks can make the specification of your products much more intelligent than DriveWorks Express.